first order differential equations, variable separation. If you have an equation of this type, dy dx is equal to function of x times function of y, we can separate these two variables x and y. The function of y will go with dy and function of x is written next to dx. Then you integrate both sides. Then we add the arbitrary constant, normally on one side, just the right hand side. So let's do example 1. So our differential equation is dy dx is equal to 3. In this case, function of x and function of y are very simple ones. So if we just multiply both sides by dx, we get dy is equal to 3 times dx. Then we include the integral sign on both sides, and basically we are integrating here 1, this side we're integrating 3, so we integrate 1 with respect to y, we get just y, integrate 3 with respect to x, we get 3x, then you add the arbitrary constant c, and this gives us a general solution to this differential equation. We can sketch this general solution for different values of c. So this is an equation of straight line which has the gradient equal to 3, but c would be the y-intercept. So if we sketch some of these graphs, first we let just c equal to 0. So we've got a straight line graph, the gradient is 3 and the y-intercept is 0, the origin. Or we put c equal to 4. Now this blue line is translated 4 units upward. So this is our y-intercept, 0, 4. It has the same gradient as the blue line, 3. Or we can substitute c equal to minus 4. Then the graph is translated from here 4 units down. So the y-intercept is 0, minus 4. So this is the family of solutions produced by the general line y equal to 3x plus c. Let's do example 2. So our differential equation is dy dx is equal to minus x divided by y. We're going to bring y to the left hand side and we're going to take dx to the right hand side. So if we multiply both sides by dx divided by y, times by y, we will have this side y times dy, this side we will have x times dx. Then you add the integral sign. Now we integrate the left hand side with respect to y, we get half y squared, here we get minus half x squared plus the arbitrary constant c. We take the x squared term to the left, we have half x squared plus half y squared is equal to c. Then we multiply both sides by 2, so we have x squared plus y squared. Now this can be written here 2c, but it's a constant. Instead of 2c we can write any constant k, but even instead of k we can write r squared, so just a constant. Now we can see this is equation of circle with the center, the origin, and the radius is equal to r. So our general solution is a circle, the center is the origin, but different values of the radius will produce different circles. So let's see. Now we sketch the graph, plot the graph here when radius is 1 and the center is the origin. Or we can have the radius equal to 4, then our solution produce this circle, or we can have radius equal to 8, then our solution is circle here. So the circles are the solution to our equation. Now we do example 3. So we have a dy dx is equal to y divided by 2x. So if you multiply both sides by dx divided by y, we will get 1 over y dy 1 over 2x dx. Don't confuse with 1 divided by 2x. Write separately. This is half times 1 over x dx. Integrate, we get ln y half times ln x. Then we can add the arbitrary constant. You can write anything as long as a number. So we can write half ln a. Then laws of logarithm, we can put them two together with ln ax. That can be written as ln raised to the power half here. So ln ax raised to the power half. Now we can get rid of the ln from both sides. So we have y equal to ax raised to the power half, we'll call it square root. If you square both sides, we get y squared equal to ax. A is just a number, we can have instead of a 4a. So then we have a solution, y squared is equal to 4ax. That's what was required, y squared equal to 4ax. We can sketch the graph of y squared equal to 4ax for different values of a. First we choose a equal to 1, so y squared equal to 4ax. This produces this graph. If we let a equal to 2, then we have a graph y equal to y squared equal to 8x. Or we have graph, then a is 1/4, you get y squared equal to 1x. So these three are parabolas with different values of a. So this is the family of solutions to our equation.